this place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
Legendary portrait photographer Annie Liebovitz had just taken a test shot with a Polaroid back of John Lennon and Yoko Ono for the upcoming magazine cover of Rolling Stone. She says that as soon as she pulled the paper back, all three of them knew this was the shot. It went on to become one of the most iconic magazine covers in history. But 8 hours after the shot, John Lennon was dead, assassinated blocks from here at Strawberry Fields in Central Park. As Liebovitz herself said, sometimes the story of a photograph only reveals itself afterward. If you like what you've seen here today, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, join the conversation in the comment section below. You guys are just so sharp and so generous. Just wow. Share, create a playlist, consider supporting our work by using our no-cost-to-you affiliate links down below, or making a contribution directly via the PayPal link down below. As always, we thank you for 3 Blind Men and an Elephant. I'm Brownstone. See you next time.